In this video, I'll show you how you can find 100% discount offers on Steam. Now first, guys, we need to open up our Steam, log into your account, and come to the store page. Once you're on the store page right here, you should see the search button. You're going to click on the magnifying glass, which will open up the search settings. Now from in here, you can see all the Steam games, and you can see when they're on the discount. We want to narrow it down, so we're gonna go like this and select free. Now from in here we can only see the free games, but we want to find the ones that are on the discount. So we're gonna choose special offers. As you can see in here, there will be two games that are 100% discount. Right now these are the only two. This one is for the 40 euros and this one is 8 euros. So that is a way that you can find the 100% discount offers. This is super simple, guys. You just go into the store, select the free here and choose special offers. Now if you don't care about a discount and you just want a free game, you can of course remove the special offers and find the free games from in here. That's basically how you do it, guys. It's super simple. Now if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.